you definitely want to be cognizant of the fact that that overtime is going to be calculated into your Hello everyone. For today's Murphy Law Monday, I want to touch on the topic of overtime and how it's looked upon in the court system, specifically as it relates to child support cases. And my short answer is, if you're working overtime, make sure it is one-off situations. And what I mean by that is that if you're in a situation where you're a seasonal worker, there are highs and lows to your job. And in the spring, for example, you work at the height of your hours and you just so happen to be going to court in the spring, the court is going to look at all of those pay stubs and determine that the overtime is a part of your gross income that they're going to include in that analysis, unfortunately. Now, if you are in a situation where out of a 12-month span, you only worked overtime 3 times, that is the argument that you can put forward to the court, that this is not consistent, this is not something I regularly do. But if you're showing continuous month over month, pay period over pay period over a period of time that you're working a number of hours that are in excess of 40 hours in a work week, or in some situations 32 for those jobs that have a different type of setup for full-time work, you definitely want to be cognizant of the fact that that overtime is going to be calculated into your child support analysis. In addition to that, kind of the offside of this is, what if the other party is intentionally reducing their hours while the case is pending? What do I do on the other side? Well, first of all, you get a competent attorney to be able to prove that, because if a court just basically looks at someone's pay stub history, they'll be able to ascertain that the person intentionally reduced hours while this case was being litigated, and specifically right before we came to court. So you want to have a competent attorney on your side to be able to prove that, because that is not easily proven without counsel. I just wanted to give you guys that tidbit. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.